Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're drawing a rainbow love cloud to celebrate Valentine's. So let's get started. To draw this sweet rainbow, let's first start by drawing the cloud. So I'm just going to start right here with one big puffy cloud curve. And as always, this is just meant to inspire you, so you can draw your cloud however you like. But I'm just going to draw a very general one. So one big one in the center, one big curve, and then I'm going to come down right here. Draw a smaller one, and then right here we're just going to finish it off on the sides. But bigger one and bring it in. And then let's do the same thing on the other side. Approximate. And then let's connect it with two at the bottom. Towards the center, and then one more. There. Okay, so now that we have this cloud in, let's bring it to life. So I'm just going to kind of let's put in some draw so cute eyes. So say maybe around here, kind of at this point, I'm just going to go ahead and draw one circle. Nice big circle for some draw so cute eyes. Then I'm going to come across and say about right here, the other side, and draw another circle. There. Okay, so now that I have that, let's make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There. So now I have the eyes in. I'm going to come above each eye, just draw a soft curve. And then in between, let's go ahead and give this cloud a very happy smile. So say about right here, I'm just going to go up with a curve, cap it off. And then right here, we're just going to open up the mouth and put in a curve and a little tongue. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's draw the rainbow part. So I'm going to come about right here. And same thing, we're going to end it about right there. And I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve. So I'm just going to draw a short part of our rainbow. To say about that much. And same thing here, just continuing that curve, but we're going to bring this one a little bit lower. To say about right there, and then connect it with a bunch of curves just to give it a little wave so that we can end it. There. Okay, so then now to put in our colors, I'm just going to go ahead just to try and make it more simple. We're going to just put in 6 colors. And so right about here in the center, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve. So that just makes it easier for me to draw my stripes in here. So I have this center, so we need to put in 3 here. So it just makes it easier just to space it out evenly. But yes, I know rainbows have 7 colors technically, but we'll just do 6 today. Okay, so same thing over here. There. Okay, so now to make it a love Valentine, I thought it'd be pretty cute to just add in some hearts in the colors right here. So if you want to do that, I'm just going to go ahead and quickly, lightly put in some hearts. There's a little pattern on each color, and maybe stagger it a little bit. And so I'm just going to try my best to quickly draw all these hearts in here. And of course you can draw as many or as little as you want. It's all up to you. It's good practice on your hearts, right? Okay, 2 more. There, and that is pretty much it for my drawing here of this rainbow love cloud. I really hope this inspires you and brings a smile to your day, and that it helps you to draw something for Valentine's. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.